I got this new camera. I'm trying to figure this all out.
My face is gonna freeze like this, you know.
I know, but I'm videotaping you.
Oh.
So I'm with Bill Bongo right now. He's the drone expert from Titletown Drones, and
Hi.
this is where Kristy and I get our drones from. This man is by far the expert. He travels all over the country working with police departments, fire departments, you name it. And today we're testing out some new drones. Boy, I tell you, the technology in the last year and a half has just been amazing. So we're gonna give it a shot. Who knows?
See what happens, huh?
Yeah. She's even showed me a new camera with a gimbal on it.
So
Look
this
at this little sucker. I'm just getting excited here.
This is called the Pocket 2. This is a gimbal stabilized camera.
But wait a minute, we shouldn't be showing them all our techniques and our little tricks.
Well,
no, just kidding.
This is for the cutting room floor. All right. So this camera will take video in 4K up to, I think, 60 frames a second, something like that. And then one of the accessories is this external microphone.
That's what I like, is the mic, external
so
mic.
You can actually start and stop the video from the microphone. And then what's kind of nice too is you can also remotely control the camera from your phone using their app.
Wow.
So you can just connect to it via, I think, Bluetooth. And then you'll be able, oh yeah, it's already connected.
And Kristy doesn't know it yet, but we just ordered one of them.
Kristy, we ordered you a drone.
No, this thing here. What do they call this?
Oh, okay, we ordered your camera.
Yeah, don't tell her about the drone yet, Bill. All right, we're going to check these out. Very cool.
All right.
So, Bill's got an active track, the drone on active track right now, and it's literally following me. Our other drone we had was supposed to have that. It wasn't working at all. This is just perfect. Every move I make, it's just staying with me. It's very cool. Watch. I'm going to back up so he'll back up. Move to the side. Wow. Very cool. All right.